Magnetism remains a fundamental force governing our world, acting as an invisible tether pulling objects together. This mysterious influence pushes and pulls without any physical contact, defying our everyday sense of touch. At the very heart of this phenomenon lie the magnetic poles, designated as north and south. These poles dictate the core rule of physics that opposite poles attract with surprising, consistent strength. Conversely, like poles repel one another, pushing away with an equal and determined force of resistance. This constant interaction creates a magnetic field, a vast region of influence surrounding every magnetic object. We can visualize this invisible field through iron filings aligning in elegant, continuous, and flowing loops. These patterns reveal the hidden geometry of the force, mapping out the space around the magnet. Interestingly, magnetism is an inherent property of matter, deeply embedded within the structure of the material. Even if you slice a bar magnet into tiny fragments, the internal nature remains unchanged throughout. Each individual piece retains its own north and south poles, no matter how small the fragment. This surprising fact proves that magnetism is woven into the very fabric of the physical material. It is not merely a surface effect, but a deep intrinsic quality of the atomic structure. This invisible power is far more than a simple curiosity for holding notes on refrigerator doors. It serves as a foundational aspect of physics, allowing us to understand how forces operate daily. We observe these interactions at both the macroscopic level of large objects and the microscopic level. By studying these forces, we begin to comprehend the hidden mechanics that govern our physical reality. This deep understanding sets the stage for exploring even more complex interactions within the natural world. The invisible tether connects the smallest particles to the largest structures in our vast, mysterious universe. Every movement of a compass needle reflects this ancient, silent dance of attraction and constant repulsion. Scientists have spent centuries unraveling the secrets of how these fields interact with surrounding space daily. The elegance of the magnetic loop provides a visual language for forces we cannot otherwise see. As we delve deeper, the simplicity of the north and south poles reveals profound physical truths. Matter itself holds the key to this power, hiding its magnetic nature within the atomic arrangement. When we manipulate these materials, we are essentially harnessing the fundamental architecture of the physical world. The persistence of the poles in broken fragments demonstrates the unbreakable nature of this magnetic order. It is a testament to the consistency of natural laws that govern everything we touch today. From the smallest grain of iron to massive industrial magnets, the same rules apply without exception. This universality makes magnetism a cornerstone of modern scientific inquiry and our technological progress as well. We stand on the threshold of discovery, looking at the invisible threads that bind our world. Imagine the bar magnet as a vessel for this energy, holding its secret within its core. The North Pole reaches out, seeking a partner in the South, creating a bridge of force. This bridge is not solid, yet it exerts a pressure that can be felt by human hands. When we bring two magnets together, we are witnessing a struggle between two invisible, competing fields. The repulsion of like poles is a physical manifestation of the field lines pushing against each other. It is as if the space between the magnets becomes charged with a tension we cannot ignore. This tension is the hallmark of magnetic energy, a silent worker in our modern, electrified lives. We see this in the way a compass needle aligns itself with the magnetic north of Earth. The needle is merely a small magnet, dancing to the tune of a much larger global force. This global force is the same one we study in our labs using simple bar magnets today. The iron filings on a table map out the same field that spans across our entire planet. It is a beautiful, symmetrical display of nature's preference for order and balance in all things. Each loop of iron filings is a path of least resistance for the magnetic force to travel. These paths are continuous, never breaking, always seeking a return to the opposite pole of origin. When we cut a magnet, we are essentially creating new paths for these forces to follow instantly. The atoms within the metal rearrange themselves to maintain the integrity of the new magnetic poles. This rapid reorganization is a testament to the resilience of the magnetic field in solid matter. We are looking at the very essence of how energy manifests within the physical, tangible world. It is a dance of electrons and atomic alignment that we are only just beginning to fully grasp. The more we learn, the more we see that magnetism is everywhere, hidden in plain sight. It is the silent partner to electricity, working in tandem to power our homes and our devices. Without this fundamental interaction, our world would lack the structure and the technology we rely upon. We must appreciate the simplicity of the bar magnet as a gateway to these complex, invisible truths. Every experiment we conduct brings us closer to understanding the grand design of the physical universe. The magnetic field is the canvas upon which the laws of physics paint their most elegant patterns. We observe, we measure, and we marvel at the consistency of these ancient, powerful, and invisible forces. As we continue our journey, keep these principles in mind to unlock the mysteries of electromagnetism next. The path from the simple bar magnet to the complex electromagnet is paved with these basic truths. Let the curiosity of the magnetic pull guide you toward a deeper appreciation of the natural world. With this foundation firmly in place, we are ready to explore the deeper, more dynamic atomic roots. Building upon these foundational principles, the true magic of magnetism emerges at the tiny atomic level. Here, spinning electrons act as minuscule magnets, creating a constant, underlying hum of magnetic potential energy. In materials like iron, these electrons align within specific magnetic domains, allowing the entire material structure. This alignment enables the substance to become magnetized, transforming ordinary metal into a potent, active force. This principle reaches its absolute peak with electromagnetism, where moving electric currents generate powerful magnetic fields. These fields enable us to create incredibly strong, controllable magnets that can be switched on or off. This versatile technology powers everything from massive industrial cranes to the complex machinery of modern lives. On a much grander scale, the Earth itself functions as a massive, rotating, and churning electromagnet. Its liquid metal core creates a protective magnetosphere that shields our planet from deadly solar radiation. By understanding how these atomic spins and electrical currents combine, we gain insight into the cosmos. This cosmic symphony protects our fragile world while simultaneously driving the technological advancements of our civilization. Ultimately, the invisible force of magnetism serves as the silent, essential backbone of our modern existence. It bridges the gap between the microscopic dance of electrons and the vast scale of planets. Every compass needle that points north and every motor that spins owes its function to this. We live within a web of magnetic influence, constantly shaped by forces we cannot physically see. From the smallest grain of iron to the swirling core of our planet, magnetism remains constant. It is a fundamental language of physics written in the alignment of atoms and electrical flows. As we peer deeper into the nature of matter, we uncover more secrets of this force. Each discovery brings us closer to mastering the energies that define our place in the universe. The study of magnetism is truly the study of the hidden architecture governing our entire world. It connects the simple pull of a magnet to the complex defense of our global atmosphere. Without this invisible tether, the technological marvels we rely upon daily would simply cease to function. We are forever bound to the magnetic fields that define the very fabric of our reality. This is the enduring legacy of magnetism, a force that continues to shape our shared future. It remains a testament to the elegant, unseen order that persists beneath the surface of things. The dance of electrons continues, driving the progress of humanity toward a more enlightened, connected age. Magnetism is not merely a scientific curiosity, but the essential heartbeat of our modern, technological society. It is the silent, powerful engine that propels us forward into the mysteries of the future. We look to the stars and the atom alike, finding magnetism as the common guiding thread. The invisible force remains, as it always has, the silent architect of our vast, complex world.